Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I'm just putting on the final touches and connecting the app for my Rainpoint. This is a smart monitoring and sprinkler system that's gonna change your world. Now for me, I need to water all the plants, I need to water all the grass, and I need to make sure not to overwater, kind of in the monsoon season, the rainy season here in Florida, and not underwater in that dry winter we get. And that's where Rainpoint comes in. I can check it remotely with my phone. So even if I'm in Mexico, if I'm 1,000 miles away, I can get on my phone, see how humid it is, see if I need to change the settings, and it's automatic. It does it for me, so I don't even need to do that. So folks, the brand is Rainpoint. We're gonna do an unbox. We're gonna show you all about it, but what a fantastic company. Stick around, we have so much more to show you. Here's the hub when it's plugged in. It's the Smart Garden Zone. You can see it's 74.8 degrees Fahrenheit. You've got the indoor and outdoor temperature, the humidity, the high and the low today. It's tied into my Wi-Fi. You got the exact time, which is correct. Auto sets that, the day, the month, everything. This was recorded on May 1st. And everything you need to know about setting your actual plan is right here. And that's really fantastic. Then when you zoom out, here's my smartphone, and you can see all the different devices tied in that fantastic app. So you can set, you can look at 72 degrees, 52% humidity. We can look at the air sensor to see what's going on outside, 76 degrees. You can look to see if there's any rainfall, which there isn't. Last usage for water, then everything you need to know just plugged right in. Here's even your soil, to where we're registering our soil, and it'll keep charts of all of that as well. A pretty fantastic device all in here. Now you can plan, you can have events, all sorts of stuff into the device itself, and registered smart on your phone. The high today is 86, the low is 66. We've got 9-mile-an-hour winds, and rain chance is 5%. So really a smart app that ties into all the devices. And folks, I know it's bright out here, but all you had to do is add in the batteries in the bottom, and suddenly this is able to tell how much rain you're having, see what the soil looks like, etc., etc. It pretty much auto connects into the system. It's like connecting a new set of earbuds into an app. Really simple, sophisticated, and chic. So now I can tell whether my soil needs a little more water. I can look to see how much it's raining, etc., etc. Just in a touch of a button on my phone. I can turn on those sprinklers. This is a great device, and it's easy to set up, and I can't stress that enough. All right, folks, it's also wildly efficient on batteries. So whether you're checking the humidity in the air, your soil back there, the waterfall, the water coming out, etc., etc., you can control it all with the hub. You can control it all with your app, and this is fantastic. Stick around. So folks, I have the sprinklers on kind of behind the cameras. You can probably hear them. And this system's fantastic. With the amount of lush green area in my yard, there's no doubt that I need to be watering. Got lake water coming in. It really nourishes the lawn. It nourishes everything. And we're about to get wet. So what are my favorite things about this particular system? Well, you know what? I love that I can control it with the app. I love that it's easy to set up. I love that it knows the humidity. I love that it knows the moisture of the soil, and this is going to get your yard working perfect. Now, you may not be a professional installer here, but guess what? This does a great job. You can see the sprinklers working right now. This does a great job. Even if you're an amateur and you want to set up your own lawn, well, guess what? This is going to do it for you. All right, folks, stick around for our up-close portion of the video. We have even more coming up, but it's absolutely fantastic. You like it, I love it, you're gonna love it too. All right, folks, stick around, get that grass as green as you can, and stick around for the up-close portion of our video. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. This is the Rainpoint. It says, more than water saving, smart 2-zone water timer. We've got a lot of stuff to include in this unbox. So stick around. We've got a moisture sensor. I love Rainpoint's app, of course. And then the water flow meter, the display hub, Bring that down so you can see it. I'm gonna have to zoom out so you can see all the cool stuff that they have. The air humidity sensor, yeah, that's cool. And of course, the high pressure rain sensor. Holy cow, man, there's so much fun stuff. So we'll start off with this, a 2-zone timer. Let me go ahead and grab a knife so we can open these up. Very cool stuff though, folks. Rainpoint really doing it with a great system. If you're a landlord, the idea of being able to control the water remotely with Wi-Fi hours away is super fun. And here we go. Check this out. Here we go. Check this out. Look at this. So you're going to put the 2 here, left and right, the 1 here, and this is going to allow you to run your system very easily. It's a 2-zone water meter from Rainpoint. This is battery powered, so you don't even have to worry about it. And of course, you can use the app to set the timer and everything you need. How cool is that? That'll come on remotely. Oh man, that's just so easy. You plug your 2 hoses in, you put a couple batteries and control the left and right side of your yard with an app. My goodness. All right, next up. Gonna get flexed up. We have the irrigation display hub, the display hub right here. Now, they have a huge screen. Again, a fantastic product. Let me see if I can just show you that. So Rainpoint, just go ahead and click Add Device. This does connect very easily, and it's available in your, say, your Apple Store, your Google Store, etc., etc. See, there's the light, the zone, the sensor, the Wi-Fi, the button introduction. It says hold down the button for 5 seconds to Smart Connect mode, adjust the LCD screen, and press to check the water zone. It's really that easy. If it's dry, comfortable, or wet, you can pick whether you need to use the system. And that's great here in Florida. Like my old system just came on 3 times a week. It didn't matter if it was the rainy season or the dry season. And then we'd start getting rot and we'd get too wet. And this being able to monitor is going to make a difference. There's the plugged where you plug it in, the 110. Fantastic. Let's move this stuff out of the way. I really like how the 2-zone water timer is just that easy to set up. All right, the soil moisture sensor. The sensor. But really a fantastic brand. I love the brand. These guys are doing great things, and I'm so excited to be able to show off Rainpoint. Rainpoint, always having some great deals. You get this is great in your pocketbook, right? Look at that. Puts it right in. Got the sensor, batteries, etc. This is the moisture sensor. And 3 AA batteries is going to keep that thing running for a long period of time. Now, it's IPX5 waterproof. Yeah. Works from -4 degrees to 140. If it's hotter than that, you don't need it. Light intensity, 0 to 200,000 lux. Are you kidding me? And it works on your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So that's fantastic as well. So, folks, I'm really excited about this. Again, ties right into all the other devices. Really cool stuff. Got 2 of those. Exciting and easy to use. Now there's the air humidity sensor. You can just put this on a tree or wherever that you need it. And this is going to just hang off to check and see how humid it is. And that really gives you a smart sensor. So Rainpoint doing it again. It's just going to hang right off. And it's easy to use. Again, battery powered. Looks like 2 AA batteries for your sensors in the trees. And of course, your water flow meter. Put this right at the start of your system, and you're going to know the exact water flow. Let me go ahead and open that up for you as well. So, folks, again, the brand Rainpoint is certainly one of my favorites. They're doing great things, showing off some of the coolest products. So we're going to display it all out so you can see it all time and time again. But look at this. This just plugs right in. Boom, boom, shake the room. Easy to use, straightforward. and even gives you, whoops, all the clips you need to connect it to your standard hoses and things of the sort. So folks, we're talking about Rainbird. We're talking about the Rainpoint is the outdoor humidity sensor, the water flow meter. We're talking about this guy right here, the two zone water timer. We're talking about the soil sensor. Of course, so much fun stuff. Let's see if we can display this out a little better, right? And the piece de resistance, the beast right here. Now we also have the high precision rain sensor. I love it. I love Rainbird. They're just doing such good stuff. They're doing the work of why even set up and have a professional gardener when you can just have Rainbird do it for you, right? All those people that have a gardening team, you have the guy watering your grass every week, you have the lawn service, you have the... Why have it when you can have this? Boom, shakalaka, look at that. It's the high precision, I've been saying it wrong, high precision rain sensor right there. And that's going to help you determine how much rain and if you need to water. Really fantastic stuff, part of your smart irrigation system. It says, please try to place the rain barrel horizontally on a flat surface without an angle. Smoothly, not to be shaken, for accuracy. Again, find the rain sensor when installing and you're good to go. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We got some of the coolest stuff here for the coolest cats in the land. Let me go ahead and get some light on it so you can really see all this fun stuff. I'm a big fan of a fantastic company. We're talking about Rainpoint. Rainpoint, once again, the big winners here when it comes to high quality products that will not disappoint. All right, folks, my name is Adam, Elite Demonstrations. We're showing you the best of the best so you can forget the rest. Try to get it all in on one close-up image. No text on screen here in a sec. And look at that. Rainpoint is absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. This stuff is cool, cool, cool. Don't you dare miss it. Goodbye, my friends.